Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Uday's Review. We were just posting the videos in English. As per the viewers' suggestion, we were suggested to post the videos in multiple languages. So here afterwards, videos will be coming in Tamil and also in English. So thanks for your support. Please see the video and enjoy. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Uday's Review. In the last video, we have seen a powerful amplifier which is used to connect our old speakers, where we can use it as a mini hi-fi system. This video is also related to an audio platform. In this video, let us see the wireless Bluetooth speaker. This is a speaker. This speaker brand is of LiveTech. This product is called as Jalsa. Without wasting time, let us get into the unboxing. This is the product box. Here in front it comes with a little branding and its name. It comes in two colors, one in soft maple and nut brown. Behind also it is same as above. Behind it there are some specification. You can pause the video and read it if you are interested. Now let us open the box and see. Once you open the box, there is a sponge or a foam to keep the speakers in safe during transport and other stuff. This is a speaker itself. Let's keep it aside and see what and all comes along with it. First, there is a USB to MircroSD cable for charging this speaker. Let me connect it and show it to you how it works. Next, there is an aux cable in the box. In the one end, it connects to the speaker to the aux port, and another end connects to the phone or 3.5 mm audio output device. Next, there is a small mobile stand for holding the mobile. If you need to connect the speakers with your Bluetooth, you can connect it and keep it on the speaker. For fixing it, there are two small screws. Now, let us continue with the speaker. On the top of the speaker, there is controllers and other input stuff. So, let me show you one by one. First, we have a microphone, just in case if you connect the phone via Bluetooth, so you can make a call from this using this microphone. Next, there is the aux port, TFS card reader, there is a USB port, and here you will connect your 5 watts DC charger, nothing but micro USB cable for charging. And this is a power button, so we can switch on and switch off using this. And this is a M button, indicates for mode. Next, you have volume up and down button. In that button you can change the track as well. Next is play pause button. In that also you can connect the call and disconnect the call. And next there is a LED for indication. As the speaker is out of battery, I will connect the speaker to the charger and power on. Once I connect the charger to the speaker and switch it on, there is a small LED glowing that you can see here. Let it charge. By the time, let me take you forward to the speakers. As I said you, this is a 20 watt speaker, so we have 5 watts each speaker, that is 20 watts. Below there are some paddings to keep the speakers on the ground equally. On the other side there is a small hole where the excess sound comes out. which is actually used in powerful subwoofers. So this was about the overall speaker, and now let us get into the demo of the speaker. Firstly, I will pair the speakers with my mobile through Bluetooth.
Bluetooth mode.
And I'll play some copyright free songs, so this is a sample from it. Next, I will connect the aux cable to my mobile,
AUX mode.
and this is a sample from the aux cable. Next, let us go forward by connecting the USB pen drive to USB port, and this is a sample from USB pen drive which is playing through USB port.
Play by USB drive.
Next, let me connect a MircroSD card to TFS card reader port. And this is a sample.
Play by TF card.
This was about the speaker. So we have seen the review on unboxing of this speaker. In this speaker there are few plus and few minuses which we can say. I'll say about the minuses. We played audio using these different ports and each port sounded different. I really did not like the aux input, maybe because of the cable or maybe any other issues. Sound from USB and Bluetooth worked very well. I could hear a little bit of bass using these two connections. We have also tried playing music using MircroSD card. Maybe the song was different, so the audio quality was like that. We will put this speaker into a live testing and test it out how this speaker works in different situations. I will connect this speaker to a PC and I will also connect this speaker to a television and show you how the quality is. So if you are new here, like this video and subscribe to my channel Ures Review, and also hit the notification button. Hitting notification button will notify you whenever we post the videos. Also share this video with your friends and families and ask them to subscribe my channel, and let me know in the comment box what do you think of this video. See you in the next interesting content. Bye till then.